Hello guys, welcome to my channel Data Analytic. And also I'm so happy guys, because of you I successfully completed my monetization from today only. And I'm so happy guys, because of your support I completed my monetization from today. Almost 1.5 year completed. Right now I complete my monetization. Okay, I'm really so happy to be a support and complete my monetization because of you only guys. And also in this video I can explain from you why I start a YouTube channel, about myself and about my family, and what are the why I start a YouTube channel also I'll be explaining from this video. Okay, first I'll be explaining about myself. My name is Keishwar. I'm working on the data analyst, and also I'm pursuing the MBA finance. Okay, this is myself. About my family background, my father is working from the Axis Bank. My mother is a housewife. My sister is working from the Manipuram Gold. Okay, this is my family background. Okay, and also I'll explain why I started a YouTube channel, and also where start the data analyst only. Okay, and when I start the data analyst in 2022 and start 2022 onwards, I'm learning the data analyst. First I start in Python, then I start the Power BI and SQL Server and MS Excel. These are four courses I learn it. Okay, then I complete my degree. Then I complete my degree. Then I am searching for the jobs. I'm not getting for any kind of job almost 8 months, and I doesn't get any kind of job. Then I want to realize to start the YouTube channel, but have the content for myself, have the knowledge about the Python, Power BI, SQL Server in MS Excel also. Then why I start the YouTube channel? Then I start the YouTube channel. Then starting I doesn't get any kind of views. Then further I've uploaded the best content. Then I related to the Power BI and SQL Server, MS Excel, Python. Then I want to get in the more views. Okay, then I want to realize to give the fun best content from the audience. Okay, okay, and also in the and also 1.5 year, and then I got a job in the middle of the time. Almost I started a YouTube channel. Then almost 6 7 months after 5 months, I got a job in the data analyst. I'm stay. I'm so happy. Then I'm so happy from today only, guys. Then I got a job in this time. Present, real more than happy. Why means to start the YouTube channel and to data analyst to successfully complete the monetization. Why means guys, to education videos not easy to complete the monetization. Okay, education content only can able to see if you have the focus in your career only, right? When you wanted to complete my monetization, guys, I'm so happy guys, because of you only I complete my monetization, and really B2B support. Okay, and also further videos also I will regularly posting also, and regularly posting job updates. And in my company also, if you have any vacancies, definitely I will inform you guys. And also, and second, and be to always to focus in your career only, guys. Okay, if you have the skill, please you are focusing your, you can start the related to any freelancing work, or also if you work on any internship also, then you got there some experience, then you can able to know, then you can able to work on somewhere. Okay, then you can able to ask someone to. Okay, and also I will explain the real-time experience also. When I upload in the Power BI related skill related, this is a right to real-time experience also. This is a Power BI project is a working related to my company is same like you have to created these types of. Okay, when you wanted to learn the Power BI to create interactive dashboard, when you want to know to how to create a dashboard, right? And also guys, never compromise your goal. Okay, if you have the one goal, if you want to achieve your full stack developer, your data analyst, your cyber security, anything also guys, never compromise your goal. Definitely want to achieve, then you can able to know. Okay, when you achieve, then you can able to happiness. Okay, yes, that's it guys, I will tell you. And also end of the video I will explain only one thing. I am planning for the mock interviews. If you are interested to the mock interviews, I will conducting the mock interviews. And also if you are interested, please I will give the description for my email ID. Please send me your details about your name and mobile number, your resume and everything you send me. My team was contact to you. Bye bye. Andarki, thank you so much guys to be supporting me. Please